The point of this piece is to try to embrace our really tangible, embodied, and lived experience. One thing that I wanted to really explore with different levels of AI model is to really think about something that AI has like bias or like certain kinds of like misrepresentation of different identities, and use that to reflect our experience as Asian female, especially working in the fields of technology.
Especially as a woman, you might be treated certain ways, and these labels are cast on. And so the stripping away of the layers of these labels and these projections that are put onto us because of our identity or how we appear and what actually lies within, and being born again.
In this word vector, we use the scanning results to combine with the word woman. I get a list of tags. All of those words are something that may be related to female, related to woman, but it's also something I find have a huge bias embedded in it.
We love the moment that we began to peel things off and to reveal ourselves hidden behind some kind of symbolic structure or system. We do feel that power in this gesture.